Good afternoon, students. Welcome to day 8 class. Already we started measurement of length. Then yesterday class we completed what we completed addition of length. How to add the length problems. Okay. Then your textbook also we solved yesterday exercise problems. And also I given only one problem you have to solve own. But I hope all of you solve that problem. Yes or no? Yes. Now in every video I inform you compulsory you have to do your homework. What we send in your WhatsApp you have to solve that problem solution again because you are being active mood or not inactive. We are thinking that. ನೀವು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ತಿರುಗಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಶುಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೆಟ್ ದಟ್ ಡೈಲಿ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ and what I instruct in the video then you have to follow that one because in your exercise today I given means you should solve before the open the video before the play the video you should take a book textbook pen and pencil also at a time you should write and continue the video. Okay, now today we are going to discuss about subtraction of length. Subtraction of length. Already generally all of you know how to subtract the length problems because you went to a cloth shop that cloth owner has red color cloth 20 meter but you only want 8 meter cloth, then how much remaining is there? Sir, total cloth is 20 meter but I want only 8 meter means 20 minus 8 kilometer is remaining, sir, because subtraction means that is reducing not increasing. When is increasing? Addition means that is increasing because their red color cloth 20 meter then green color cloth 10 meter then total cloth how much is there? Then 20 into 10 is 30 meters, that is increasing. When is it decreasing? Subtraction should be decreasing. Understand? Okay. Now we are going to discuss some problems. What is that? 670 meter subtract from 900 meter. This is the problem. Understand? Problem number 1, 670 meter subtract from 900 meter. You should understand the question. ನೀವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. What is given there? 670 meter subtract from 900 meter. You cannot understand that problem, then you have to think it 670 bigger or 900 bigger. Sir, absolutely 900 meter is bigger than 670 meter. Okay, then you should write 900 meter minus 670 meter. This much only. Then 0 minus 0 always. Any number you take 0 minus 0 always 0 only. Here 0 is there and here below 7 is there. Understand? 0 is not subtract 7 because 0 is smaller, 7 is very bigger. It is not subtract. Then you take a borrow upside number, give 1 and you take it is 10. 10 minus 7 it is 3. Then 9 minus 6 plus 1 borrow is given there means it is subtracted 6 plus 1 7. 9 minus 7 how much? 9 minus 7 9 8 9 only 2. Yes. Remaining answer is 230 meters. Compulsory these simple problems you have to do mentally. Then how in any time full time you should write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So you should write number of 9 lines. Then you should cancel 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 is there. It is remaining 2 only here. This is very taking long time. It is simple problems means you should do mentally. Okay. Now the second one, 870 meter subtract from 890 meter. We should subtract from 890 meter. This one you should subtract from this number. Then you should write here 890 meter. Then minus 870. Yes. Then 0 minus 0. Compulsory numbers write properly. 0 minus 0, 0 only. 9 minus 7, same is there. 9 minus 7, it is 2. 8 minus 8, 0. Then remaining how much? 20 meter only remaining. Okay. Then all of you open your notebook and take headline this subtraction of length. Then take this one and this one you should write. Fuse the video, then you have to write. Then third one, 67 meter 50 centimeter minus 58 meter 78 cm. Subtract. This time problem is given means here 67 meter, another one 50 centimeter minus 58 meter 78 centimeter is there. Understand? Then this time means compulsory you should subtract meter to meter, then centimeter to centimeter. Understand? Meter to meter, then centimeter to centimeter. First of all, you should write properly. 67 meter 50 centimeter minus 58 meter 78 centimeter. Yes. Then centimeter to centimeter you have to subtract. 0 is 8. 0 is not subtract 8. You take a borrow. Then it is 10. 10 minus 8. Sir, always 2. Then 5 minus 7. Sir, it is also not subtract because 5 is smaller than 7. Then again you take borrow. It is 15. 15 minus 7 plus 1 is there because already 1 took 1 borrow means it is given. 7 plus 1 it is 8. Then 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8. You should think it 15 minus 8. 8 plus 2 10. 2. Then 10 plus 5 15. 5 plus 2 7. 8. What do you do? You take a bar again, then it is 17. Okay. Then here 8 plus 1 is there. You think 17 minus 1, 16. 16 minus 8, 8. This is the mental problem. Then 6 minus 5 plus 1, 6, 6 minus 6, it is 0. 8 meter 72 centimeter. Another one, 8 meter 65 cm, subtract from 98 meter. What is given here? Only 98 meter is given here. But which number you have to subtract? 8 meter 65 centimeter subtract from 98. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ 98 meter ದೊಳಗ 8 meter 65 centimeter you have to subtract. Then you should write properly 98 meter 00 centimeter. Not given anything means that should be number is 0 only. Then minus 8 meter 65 cm. One thing is clear. Here given only single number, but here 2-digit number is there. But compulsory you should write unit place below unit place. Yes. Then 0 is not subtract 5. You take a borrow. It is 10. Yes or no? 10 minus 5. Sir, 5. Right. Then it is also not subtract means it is also 10. You take a borrow. It is 10 minus 7. It is 3. 35 cm. Then 8 is not subtract because one borrow is there means 8 plus 1 9 is there. It is not subtract. It is 18. 18 minus 9. Absolutely 9 only. Then 9 minus 1 it is 8. 89 meter 35 centimeters. Understood all of you? Okay. All of you write down this question. Yes, dear students, all of you open your textbook. Page number is there, 37 is there. Open all of you. Then look at that problem. Exercise 11.4 is there. Understand? Solve the sums given below. 86 centimeter and 29 centimeter is there. It is very easy problems are there. What I solved now, these problems are given there. You should observe the problems you have to solve own. Understand? Any doubt means you have to send WhatsApp through. Then I will check and I will send you. Okay. Ninth one problem is there. 224 meter 83 centimeter minus 165 meter 75 centimeter. You should solve this one pencil and then click the photo and send, and afterwards you should write in Fairbook also. Okay, now we are going to discuss about word problems. Okay, first problem, exercise 11.4. First one problem, in a bundle of thread measuring a length of 450 meter, the shopkeeper says 170 meter of What is the remaining length of the thread? Length of the thread in the bundle. In the bundle. Dear students, every time I told you, ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳ್ರಿ, ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, the given question you should read properly 1 or 3 times. Okay, because without the reading problem you cannot understand. Problem ಅನ್ನ ಓದ್ರಿ, then ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ, then you have to solve. Okay, otherwise without reading you cannot understand, sir. You should read, then you have to find. Okay, in a bundle of thread measuring a length of 450 meter, the shopkeeper says, one bundle of thread is there. The thread bundle have how much meter? 450 meter. In one bundle thread length is 450 meter. Then 170 meter thread already sold out. That shopkeeper sold out 170 meter of thread. What is the remaining length of the thread in the bundle? One bundle ಇದೆ, ಥ್ರೆಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ದಾರ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೀಟರ್ ಇತ್ತು? 450 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 170 ಮೀಟರ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾರಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನವ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ವಿಚ್ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್? ಸರ್, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಸರ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ bundle and he sold out, it should be minus, sir. Then what is remaining? Then you have to find. First of all, you should write statement. Statements is very important because you should create own statement. Also no problem. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Then the length of thread is 450 meter. Understand? Then shopkeeper sold out thread is 170 meter. Then you have to subtract. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 is not subtract 7. Then it is 15. 15 minus 7, it is 8. Then 4 minus 2, it is 2. The remaining thread measurement is, thread length is 280 meter. 280 meter. All of you write down this one, your textbook only. Already open your textbook. Then you should write first problem your textbook. Then afterwards you should write again one time in clearbook. Write down first. Then next one, second one problem, I will show you. Ahmad brings a wire of length 227 meter 70 centimeter to fence if the wire used for fencing is 190 meters, then 40 centimeters. What is the remaining length of the wire? Ahmad brings a wire of length is 227 meter and 70 centimeter. Ahmad went to a shop and he brings 227 meter and 70 centimeter of wire he brings to fence. Fence means one garden is there. That garden, this type garden is there. That fencing means अभी बेले हमको. That should be protect that garden. That's why that Ahmad brings the wire. Then if the wire used for fencing, then already protected wire is 190 meter and 40 centimeter wire is used. What is the remaining length of wire? ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಒಂದು ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಆ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 227 ಮೀಟರ್ and 70 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ವೈರ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದರು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 190 ಮೀಟರ್ and 40 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ is already used. Then what is the remaining? Just only to that one is find out. Then answer, total brought wire length is 227 meter 70 centimeter. Then the length of the used wire is 190 meter 40 centimeter is used wire. Then 0 minus 0, 0, 7 minus 4, it is 3. Understand? Then 0 minus 7 minus 0, 7 only. Any number you take it, subtract to 0, that answer should be that number only. Then 2 is not subtract 9, you take a borrow, it is 12. 12 minus 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, it is 3 sir, yes. Then 2 minus 2, it is 0. Then 37 meter 30 centimeter. Then remaining wire length is 37 meter 30 centimeter. Understand? Okay, I will you write down this one in your textbook. Write down fast. Yes, you are fifth one problem, because third and fourth you have to solve all. I will show you how to solve, then you have to solve that type. First, the length of a goods train is 242 meter 60 centimeter. The length of the length of a passenger train is 109 meter 25 cm. Which train is more in length and by how much? What is the problem? You should compare. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? One is goods train. Only they transport goods only, because goods material means it is, for example, agriculture work material, because DAP, urea, cement we should transport to goods train. One state to another state, one country to another country, we have to export that one. Okay. Then one is goods train, another one is passenger train is there. But they given goods train length also is given, passenger train length also is given. Then you have to compare both train, which is longest train and how much length is long. You should find out that one. Then first of all you should read the length of a goods train is 242 meter 60 centimeter. The length of passenger train is 109 meter 25 centimeter. Which train is more in length? Already I have to know that, because 109 242. Sir, goods train is more length. Then how much length more? That one you should say. First of all, you should write answers. The length of goods train is 242 meter 60 centimeter. Right. Then the length of passenger train is 109 meter 25 centimeter. Is it right? Then you should subtract goods train minus passenger train. Then 0 is not subtracted for you. You take 10. 10 minus 5. Answer should be 5. Then 6 minus 3. It is 3. Then 2 is not subtracted 9. Then cancel, it is 12. 12 minus 9. 10, 11, 12, 33. Then 4 minus 1, it is also 3. 2 minus 1, it is also 1. Then goods train is more length. That is 133 meter 35 centimeter. This is the more length. Understand? First of all, you should write this one clearly. Okay, write down first. Then yours next two problems are there. Then what is there? 3. In a bundle of cloth measuring 125 meter 80 centimeter length of 70 meter 30 centimeter is cut and removed. What is the remaining length of cloth? One cloth bundle is there. That bundle have how many measurement of cloth? 125 meter and 80 centimeter cloth is there. Then that cloth already cut and removed cloth measurement is 70 meter and 30 centimeter. That one you should minus and write there. And this one, a hill climber climbs 475 meter and 60 centimeter. This one I will solve. Next one question. The hill a hill climber 475 meter 60 centimeter in the first attempt and 300 meter 40 centimeter in the second attempt. How much less height he has climbed in the second attempt. Then in the first. This is very easy problem. A hill climber ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ವತವನ್ನು ಏರ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಗುಡ್ಡ ಇರೋದು ಗುಡ್ಡ ಏರ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗೋದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏರ್ತಾರ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏರ್ತಾರ. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೆಷನ್. ನೀವು ಮೊದಲು ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. Then a hill climber 475 meters 60 centimeters in the first attempt and 300 meter and 40 centimeters in the second attempt. So his climbed second attempt is less. Then how much less he climbed? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಏರ್ಕೋತೇಕು ದೂರ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾನ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಏರಿದ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಏರಿದಾನ? ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್. Then you should write here answer climber first attempt total distance how much? 475 meter 60 centimeter. Then climber second attempt second attempt climbed distance. How much he climbed? 300 meter 40 centimeter. Then you should subtract 0 minus 0, 0, 6 minus 4, it is 2. Then it is meter. Then 5 minus 0, 5, 7 minus 0, it is 7, 4 minus 3, it is 1. Then total climbed less distance is 175 meter and 20 centimeter. Then you have to solve this one in Fairbook. textbook, one is remaining only one problem. You have to solve their own, then afterwards you have to write again one time here. Write down this one first. Dear students, I left only one question. Third one, you have to solve own. Then you have to write. Okay. Then this today's homework HW is exercise 11.4. These all problems you have to solve in your fair book and textbook also. And mention today's date. This one I already solved. This one also you should write in your fair book. Then this one also you should write in fair book. Okay. Thank you.